In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view time insights in Google Calendar. This can be a real game changer for those of you who want to get a better understanding of how you are managing your time. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can easily do this by typing Google Calendar in the search bar or directly entering the URL if you're familiar with it. Once your Google Calendar is open and you can see your schedule for the day or week, you'll want to look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should find a section labeled Time Insights. This is a small section, but don't let it fool you, it's packed with valuable information. Now, to get the most out of these insights, you'll want to click on More Insights. This action will open up a more detailed view that can provide you with a comprehensive breakdown of how you're spending your time. It's a great tool for anyone looking to improve productivity or achieve a better work-life balance. Once you're in this detailed view, you'll be presented with a variety of graphs and charts that give you insights into different aspects of your schedule. These can be particularly illuminating if you're not entirely sure where all your time is going. You'll see sections like Time Breakdown, which gives a broad overview of your time spent in meetings. This is useful for getting a quick sense of your week. If you crave more details, focus on the Time in Meetings section. This part specifically highlights the amount of time you spend in meetings, providing a clear picture of how much of your day is consumed by them. This information can be invaluable for identifying areas where you might want to cut back or adjust. You also have the People You Meet With section. This insight sheds light on who you're meeting with most often. Knowing who you frequently engage with can offer clarity on your collaboration patterns and possibly highlight areas for networking or prioritizing relationships. Additionally, these insights are flexible. They're based on the date ranges you choose to view. You can switch your calendar view to see different time insights for various periods, whether it's a day, a week, a month, or even a year. If you're wondering why this matters, different time frames can show you trends and patterns that aren't immediately obvious in short-term views. So there you have it. By using these time insights in Google Calendar, you can become far more efficient in managing your schedule. It's all about gaining awareness of how you allocate your time and making conscious decisions to ensure it aligns with your priorities. Now go ahead and explore your own time insights and take steps towards a more balanced and informed approach to your daily activities.